No, he is my grandbaby. Look at him stirring that batter. All right, so once we got that done, we went ahead and started on his smoothie. What I mean is, look, do like this. Take it and put it in there. That'll be better. Good job. Now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I knew when I was in the store, I was missing a fruit. And I, for the life of me, could not figure out what that fruit was. So y'all stay tuned to when he tastes this doggone smoothie. And it's just like the Lord said, girl, you missing ... All right, so he is putting the bananas in, and then we're going to go in with spinach. And then I'm going to let him do the rest. Because this is how kids learn. Look at him with that chef hat. Don't he look so cute, y'all? Oh. All right, now he's putting in some almond milk because we don't do regular milk over here, and he definitely is not getting any regular milk. So either almond or oat works for us. You do what you do in your household. And then he's going to go ahead and press that power button, and voila, we have a smoothie. Now, about these pancakes, I don't want to hear from y'all when y'all see the final pancake. This is the first pancake. I always make it flat and then throw it in the trash. But my husband came in, seen that I was cooking, and was like, oh, I want some pancakes before I go to work. I said, okay, what time you go to work? He said 20 minutes. I said, wait a minute, Nick. I ain't no miracle worker, but don't push me. So I ended up having to give him that first pancake because you know what? He was hungry. He did not care that I was recording. I call these banana boats. I don't know if that's what it is. I think I made it up, but he loves peanut butter. So anything that I put on peanut butter, he will eat. So that was my way of giving him more fruits. And he actually loved them. Y'all look at him. He ready to eat. I'm like, hold on. I need to get another image. Why I do him like that? I don't know. He over there licking it. Anyway, this was the final result. I said don't say nothing about that flat pancake. And now the time that you all have been waiting for, the taste test.
Good job. What's in it?
I like it.
Baby, he said he don't like it, and I don't blame him because when I thought about it, I forgot the peaches, and it did taste horrible, so I had to end up putting in some vanilla and some butterscotch. But we are on the way to the park. I could have walked. That's how close the park is, but I'm trying to tell you, I ain't trying to lose weight today. You ain't gonna lose it in one day, no way. So we went to the park. He's swinging. He's having fun. He met some new friends, and this is really what it's all about. But listen to this boy.
Ew.
What?
See?
So you don't want to touch it? Grandson, why you have your hands balled up like that? Because you don't want to touch anything. The thing of it is I'm not coming out here bringing Clorox wipes. You got to build up your immune system, bro. So now that I'm at my favorite ice cream shop, they had Lucky Charms ice cream for him. And y'all had enough of me, baby. So when we got to the house, he had that